finally set up an appointment with an attorney. What should you bring to your first meeting? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. It happens all the time. I set a meeting with a client, we pick a date, we pick a time that works, we send a confirming letter, and then they say, well, what am I supposed to bring with me to the meeting? And even when you tell them, sometimes they forget, but I'm going to tell you now so you'll know when you meet with your attorney what to bring. The most important thing you can do is bring down any writings you have that detail the facts or the witnesses or pictures of the collision. Bring that with you. It's important to bring that with you because typically those are done in close time to the incident, when everything is fresh, when the evidence is still there, memories are still clear, witnesses are still at the scene. The second thing I like you to bring are pictures of the cars. And as I've said in other videos, and I'll say it again in this video, I'd like you to bring pictures of the other driver's car. Why is that so key? You typically will always have access to the car you were in or that you were driving at the time of the collision. It's harder for you to get a picture of the other driver's vehicle before you consult with a lawyer. And that's what the purpose of consulting with a lawyer is to evaluate your claim. And looking at the picture of the damage is part of the evaluation. Finally, on a technical note, bring in your insurance policies, all of them, your health insurance, your car insurance, your disability insurance, any insurance policy you may have, just bring them. When in doubt, just throw them in and bring them to the meeting. I will sort through those policies for you and we will find out what types of coverages you have and the terms of your coverage. And this will help you map out what you can expect to do in your personal injury case. Well, that's it for today's video on things to bring with you to the first meeting with an attorney. By the way, if you found this interesting, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get fresh new content every time we post a new video. And if you have questions, I want you to call me. I answer questions like this all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.